Hey guys, welcome back to Five Nights at Freddy's Help Wanted. This time in VR. I'm not so sure about this one, guys. Am I gonna get my freaking pants scared off and literally never want to live again? Or is something good gonna come out of this? Let's find out. Oh, I am terrified. Let's do this, though. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Guys, I'm terrified. I don't want to do this. But it's for you. I don't want to do this. But it's for you. It's for you, guys. I could be playing Survive the Sinking Ship. I could be playing something more fun than this, but this is for you. Yes, that's me. In Tom Glow Beach. I don't want to play what we're playing today, but who cares? It's for you. It's for you. All clear. Bro, I'm not even in the game yet. I'm not even in the game yet. I'm already scared. Continue. I'm already scared, and I'm not even in the game yet. Holy. I don't like it! Let's start on night 1. I don't like it. It's scary. What the freak? Mr. Cupcake, comfort me.
Hello. I wanted to record a message for you to help you get
Mr.
settled
Cupcake.
in your first night. I actually worked in
Comfort me.
for you. I'm finishing up my last
no.
So I know it can be a bit overwhelming, but I'm here to tell you there's nothing to worry about.
Yes, there is.
Fine. So let's just focus on getting you through your first week.
Oh, I can actually control the fan.
Let's
Hold on,
see.
wait.
First, there's an introductory greeting from the company that I'm supposed to
Hi.
read.
I'm only doing night 1 of this. I cannot take this.
Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, a magical place.
Then we're gonna play some Rec Room.
Buddy!
Buddy!
Hi! Responsible for damage to property or person.
God
On
damn
discovering
it.
that damage or death has occurred, a missing person report will be filed within 90 days. Property and premises thoroughly cleaned and bleached, and the carpets have been replaced. Blah, blah, blah. Now, that might sound bad, I know, but there's really nothing to worry about. The animatronic characters here do get a bit quirky at night, but do I blame them? No.
Yes, they get quirky at night. I know.
Those phones for 20 years, and I never got it down. I'd probably be a bit irritable at night, too. So remember,
Oh,
these characters
God,
have a
no.
special place in the hearts of children. You need to show them a
Let me
little
save some power.
Right? Okay. So just
No,
be
I need that
aware,
sound.
the characters do tend to wander a bit. They're left in some kind of free roaming mode at night. Something about their servos locking up if they get turned off for too long. They used to be allowed to walk right during the day, too. But then there was the night set. Yeah. It's amazing what the human body.
Yeah, I know, Foxy. I know. You like to run out when I leave the room.
Concerning your safety, the only real risk to you as a night watchman here, if any, is the fact that these characters, if they happen to see you after hours, probably won't recognize you as a person.
I'm keeping that door closed.
They'll most likely
I don't
see
like
you
it,
as a
man.
little endoskeleton without its costume on. Now, since that's against the rules here at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, they'll probably try to forcefully
Hi,
stuff
Chica.
you inside a Freddy Fazbear suit. Now, that wouldn't be so bad if the suits themselves weren't filled with cross-beams, wired, and animatronic devices, especially around the facial area. So you can imagine how
Chica?
your head forcefully pressed inside one of those could cause a bit of discomfort.
Chica?
And then,
Where is
the only
Chica?
part of you that would likely see the light of day again would be your
Oh,
eyeball.
God damn it.
Yeah, they don't tell you these things when you sign up. But hey,
Oh! Holy! Oh!
check those cameras and remember to close the doors only
Oh!
if necessary. Gotta conserve power.
Woo!
Alright, good night.
Woo! Woo! I hit that! Oh, I'm already at 39% power. Holy cow! Oh, freaking! I'm losing power fast. Hi! If I run out of power, I'm leaving the game. Holy. Where's Bonnie? Where are you? Hi, Chica. Yes, I see you. Where's Carl? 911! Help me! Who is that? Who is that? Oh, that's Bonnie! What's that? What is that? Wait, what the? Huh? I don't know if Chica's there or not. No, I can't do that. Holy cow! That is so freaking terrifying. Let's do Survive the Sinking Ship. I had some good times in this. Oh my god! Oh god! I need to calm my nerves. Holy cow, that was freaking terrifying! Oh, I couldn't do that. I physically couldn't do that. I couldn't do that. That was so terrifying. So basically, the reason why Foxy ran down the hallway when I stuck my head out, Foxy doesn't like it when you leave the office. Foxy doesn't like it when you leave the office. It's not something he likes. So he tries to kill you. And I did not forget that he did that. I just had the most terrifying experience of my life. Let me just angle this downwards. You guys will finally get to hear the audio. That happens, because I'm going to be in a private server, so we're good. We live. What's this? Spider-Man speeding wall? Come on, let's see. Where is it? There it is. Survive the sinking ship. This game isn't that scary. In fact, it's not really scary at all, unless you have a fear of heights, or a fear of drowning, or a fear of boats, or a fear of water, or a fear of who cares? I don't have any of those fears. I mean, I'm not so sure about the heights one, but, like, other than that, I'm gonna be good. Survive the sinking ship. Let's freaking go. Okay. Let's do the Titanic first. Gonna tag all the names. Gonna grab all of them. The Titanic. Let me just grab it. Okay, let's do this. You can also climb on basically everything. You can climb on basically everything. So I can literally climb onto the ship. Made it. Okay. Let's get over here to actually start the ship. You have to hit the button before the ship will start. See, you have to press this button to get the ship to start moving. It has a big delay before it actually starts moving, though. Okay, let's get the steering wheel. It's time to set sail. It's time to set sail. Let's watch that ship to tell when we're gonna start moving. The iceberg is way out there. So I'm gonna be way up there before this thing starts moving. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's moving. Oh no! Why is my hand back there? Let's just fly up there. Holy mother! Oh, I'm flying. Oh god! I can't jump forward. No, stop. Okay, I gotta steer the ship. The iceberg, it's getting closer. Let me in here. Oh god, I'm glitching. Okay, let me in. Okay, give me the steering wheel. Give me the steering wheel. Oh, I got it. Oh no. No, I'm flying. Flap your wings to fly. Yeah. Why am I flying? Yeah, I can fly. Whee! I can fly! Oh. I'm flying too high! No! I'm flying too high! I'm escaping the Titanic! What? No rules said that I couldn't escape the Titanic! I'm out of here! I'll see you losers later! Who cares about the iceberg? I'm out of here! Oh, I'm flying. I never actually bought the ability to fly. Where? Okay, yeah, I'm out of here. Hi, iceberg! Look at me! I'm a bird! I'm a birdie! I'm a birdie! Hi, iceberg! How is it down there? I am out of here. How is it down there? I'm gonna get to watch this happen when I'm not even on the ship. I'm a bird. I've changed from being someone on the Titanic to a bird watching the accident happen. Uh-oh, it looks like you struck the iceberg, Titanic. Oh god, I'm still getting higher. I'm still getting higher. I feel like I'm flapping a little too hard. Oh no, I'm flying away! Flap! Flap harder! Holy cow, I am out of here. I am out of this town. Flap harder! Oh god. How do I stop flying? Holy cow, what just happened? Oh, I'm still here. It just glitched out. Okay, let me back onto the Titanic. Let me flap a little lighter. Oh yeah, I'm coming back down. Oh god, why is it? Hey, no, flap harder, flap harder. No, no, I'm losing altitude. Flap, flap. So I became a bird. That was fun. I wonder if that's the only ship I can do that with. Warning, Kraken and Meg spotted in area. Well, that explains a lot of the deaths. So, I became a bird. Let's see if I can become a bird on this one, too. Oh, there's the Titanic out in the distance. Okay, let's start it. No. There. Okay. It's time. And let's fly. Wait, what? It's not working. Oh, I think I can only do it once the boat actually starts moving. And I have to grab something, like, small. Oh, there's an entire inside of the ship. Oh! That's cool. Hey, when is this gonna start moving? I want to become a bird. Come on, start moving. I want to fly. Oh no, don't fall off the boat, don't! Stay on the boat. Climb back up, hurry! It's gonna start moving soon. Get back on the boat. Uh-oh. Get back on the boat, get back on the boat. No. I can't get back. Let me on, please. Oh no, I'm gonna be hanging off the side of the ship. Oh, this is not a good position. Don't start moving yet. I've still gotta get back on. I know I'm a tyrant, but still. Please, don't leave without me. Come on. I really gotta pick up the pace if I'm gonna get back on the ship. Come on, please. Please. Yes. Oh, I can't grab that. Oh, I made it. Okay. Oh, and just in time, too. We're moving. Okay. Okay, let's fly. Uh-oh, I'm not flying. I'm not flying. No. Do it. Fly. No. Oh, no. I'm on the side of the ship. Okay, I'm back. Okay. Okay, let's fly. No! Come on. Fly! How come I was only like a bird that one time? Come on! Flap your wings like a bird! Come on! Ah! Oh no! Oh, this is not good. Maybe I can fly back on. Oh, it's working. It's working. Come on. Please. It's not working. I have to climb back on. Uh-oh. No. Hurry. Before we sing. Ayo, Mario! Oh, God. Oh, God damn it. There's no flying away from this one, birdie. Come on. No. Ah! Climb. No. Oh, God. Let me back. Oh, gotta get to a high point. Hurry. Gotta climb. No. Ah! Ah! We're alive, right? We're not moving anymore, so I can't fly like a bird. But... Oh, wait, no! Okay, something about the VR is, like, really melting my brain because I actually feel like I'm about to fall. Oh god, my legs! Oh, shoot. Oh, I feel like I have the best chance of survival over here. Ah! The water. It's here. please. Please, fly away. Oh no, no. Flap like a bird, flap like a bird. I'm just a little birdie, please. Wait. It's working. Just flap, flap, flap. Okay, so I guess I just got lucky that one time when I turned into a bird. Which one should we do next? Although I actually have played this before. Look at me wall running and such. Look at me dying and such. Can I climb this? Oh no, I'm just dead. Wait, no I'm not. The freak? I'm dead. Alright, let's do the race boats. That one's fun. What the freak is happening? Okay, let me tag the name real quick. Cha. Race boats. I'm gonna be riding the chick boat. The Chick-fil-A boat. So I became a bird when I grabbed the steering wheel. Maybe it's something about the steering wheel that makes me turn into a bird and fly away. I just have to wait till we start moving. Did I even start them? Oh, I did. Okay, let's go. Yes! Yes! It's working! Fly! We're going. No, wait, no. Chicken boat, what are you doing? No, don't hit me! Fly! Yes! See you later, loser! Uh-oh. Yes! No! Dang it, it was working. Oh no, I turn every time it goes. Okay, let's do the cruise ship. Okay, let's immediately get to the highest point on the cruise ship, which is up here. Okay. I'm at the highest point on the ship. Ahoy, tinfoil. Away. What if I were to activate like all the ships at the same time? Helicopter mode. I fell off. I gotta get back on before we start moving. Okay, we're good, we're good. Let's do this. Let's become short. Okay, how exactly are we going to do this? Let me just make sure I'm actually still recording. Okay, good, I am. Okay, ahoy tinfoil, away. 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 Away! Oh wait. Ahoy tinfoil! Away! Yeah, that's better. I was just waiting for a good one. Thanks, you really care about me. No, no. Oh no. Ooh. Yeah, that'll do it. Ahoy tinfoil. Away. Ahoy bird. Away. I'm a bird again. Oh yeah, I'm really doing it now. Oh, I'm very far away from the ship. Yeah. Let's fly over here. Oh, I'm flying away. Okay, you know what? Actually, let me back onto the boat, please. Oh, that was not a good idea. Bye, cruise ship! Ahoy, tinfoil away. Let's do the R matey, bar matey, jar matey, gar matey pirate ship. Let's fire the cannons. Let's fire in the hole. Let's get onto the crow's nest. We're all of the Joe's nest. We're all in the go's nest. Because I'm the R-matey captain of this R-matey gar-matey ship. And I am the captain of this R-matey gar-matey in the dar-matey DJ ship. But I am the R-matey captain of the R-matey pirate ship in the R-matey TT. I am the best Titanic army in the army. Because I am the crow's nest. Because I'm in the crow's nest. Yeah. Because I'm in the crow's nest. Because I am such an R-matey. I'm in the crow's nest. Because I am a crow. As I flap my wings and start to sing, and off we will go. We're the most R-matey in the bar gar-matey in the everything we know. I am at the highest point on the ship. As the R-matey, bar matey in the tar matey. Yes, here we go. We are the most R-matey pirates you will know. Cause off we go into the unknown. Uh-oh, the cruise ship starts to fall. Cause we're the most R-matey, the dar matey. Yeah. We're the most R-matey, tar matey in the bar to car matey. Yes, here we go. Cause we were caught in 4K. What is that? We must run away. I fell. Oh no! It's the Kraken! Oh no! No cracky jokes now. The Kraken is here to destroy us. Let's climb the Kraken. I can't climb the Kraken. No! Oh no! The ship is in danger! Abandon ship! Steer ourselves away! You must get out of here! Turn the steering wheel! Come on, it's not working! Uh-oh, I gotta climb the rope. I gotta climb. Oh goodness, we're taking on water! We're not taking on water yet. Oh no, another tentacle! Oh, we're taking on water now. Oh no! Climb, Mr. Squidward! Climb! Oh no, I gotta go. No. I'm climbing as fast as I can. No. I can still get out of this. Just gotta climb the rope. Climb the rope faster. Oh no. Okay, I can still do this. Make it to the crow's nest. Okay. Oh no. No! Yeet. Oh! Oh, the cruise ship is still sinking? I'm matey, the matey I. You get the new camera DLC. Hey, what else should we do? Wait, let's climb the Titanic real quick. Okay, we made it. Oh, no, we didn't make it. Oh, bye-bye. There's a shark down there. The TIMBERONG song. Let's take the golden yacht, because we're rich. Yeah. Take the golden yacht for all of my, 32 or 39 subscribers. Because they're the coolest people on the planet. You heard that? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you will be one of the coolest people on the planet. Just kidding. Literally nothing will happen. But please, still do it. I still need to get to 50 subscribers. At least 50 subscribers. In order to live stream. And I really want to live stream. So at least let that come true. If you don't subscribe in 3 seconds, I'm jumping off the 3, 2. Actually, no. If you don't subscribe in 3 seconds, I'm staying on the yacht. Ready? 3, 2. Oh, no! Well, now I'm stuck. Oh, no! Well, I might as well sleep. I got miles to go before I sleep. Even though I sleep now. Let me on the bed. I want on the bed. Let me on the bed. I can't get on the bed. I'm on the bed. Let's go. Let's sleepy bye. Oh no! Oh no! I'm inside the shark! Uh-oh! Oh no! I'm taking on water, Mr. Squidward! Oh no, the shark's teeth are in the boat, Mr. Squidward! I'm swimming for my life, Mr. Squidward! I want my mommy, Mr. Squidward! Oh no, I'm swimming! I gotta get out of this here before I die! Oh no, we're filling back up with water again! Oh no! Oh no, I couldn't survive. Yeet! Whee! Oh no! We're dead. The cruise ship is finally back. That's great. Why you keep taking pictures of me, Duty Manager? Oh my god. Bye-bye, Sharky. Holy cow. Let's take this nice little boat right here. I have a feeling it would be nice. Okay. Ooh, parkour. Parkour people be like, oh my god! TAFBSIRESONG-CON. DORUSUPPORT. OAAAAAAAAO. No, don't leave without me. I'm gonna get back on the boat. Don't leave without me. This is the wrong boat! No, where's the boat? Did it leave without me? No! Oh, it's way over here. Yeah, it probably